Oh yeah. I think it's a coho.
Really?
Yeah, but it's really colored. I think it's past its prime. But it is a coho because it's got that beautiful red spawn color to it. Where are you going, dude?
A red coho?
Yeah, well, it looks like a buck, and it looks like it's pretty almost spawned out. But yeah, that's definitely a coho.
Oh yeah.
You see the red in it?
Yeah.
That's what color they turn when they're.
Snagged on a gill.
Yeah.
So they're not a keeper, right?
No. Is it a wild or is it hatch?
Yeah, it's a wild.
It is. Yeah, that's a coho.
Wow.
There you go, crazy fish. Huh.
He is really.
Sure hit good, and it looks pretty. He's really shaking.
Yeah.
Shake it, baby, shake it.
I seen silver.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a coho.
Want me to cut that fin off?
Yes, please.
That bugger better hang on. Hang on, you son of a bitch. It's just on the side of his mouth.
Yeah.
It's a small one. The size of the head here. See this head?
Yeah. Can you see if it's got a fin down?
No, I didn't see.
Well, I'm going to bring him up. Nice fish, though.
Beautiful fish. Look at that.
Yeah.
Sure it's a wild, yeah.
There he goes. Oh, boy.
Son of a bitch.
Another wild.
But look how small he was.
Well,
This
shit,
size here.
no,
Bigger than that.
he was bigger than that.
Twice as big.
He was about 5 pounds, maybe 6
Yeah.
pounds. He was a deep. I don't know what the hell's going on. Well, taking some line down.
Is he?
Oh yeah.
Good. Anyway.
I think I see bars.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Chummy.
Yeah.
Well, he took the bait.
Mm-hmm.
A smaller one. But, nice belly. Keeper, no? Chilliwack?
Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Not a bad looking chum, but
Yeah.
Dan!
What?
Fish,
It's mine yet. Wait.
fish on!
Good, good. Let's have a look what a fish looks like. Let's see, where's that head? And he kept that? How's it looking?
I haven't seen any silver, so I'm not that impressed right now.
I don't know. We can keep everything, but except the wild, eh?
Yes.
Everything's game. Even that.
It's a chum. I can see bars. Yeah.
Well,
I'll be a chummy dum dum.
come on, chummy, chummy,
Oh. That's it. Trip over the rock.
chummy.
Oh yeah. I don't know. Can't really see him yet. Oh, that's good. Those white spots smoke really good.
Do they? Yeah, you might want to keep them. He's still alive.
He's still got eyeballs.
He's got eyeballs. Fuck. What more can you ask for? Come, Mr. Chum.
Chum-de-dum-de-doo.
He swallowed the whole thing. He was hungry.
Hey, get away from that log.
That's a keeper, isn't it?
Huh?
Hey?
No.
No?
Well, not for me.
No way, eh?
No.
Yeah, it's not fighting now.
Hooked on teeth. Oh.
No good, eh?
Nah. Just let him go, Danny.
Let him go. What do you mean he's no good?
Thanks. Nice looking fish, whatever it is. Not bad. I don't see any bars on it. It is a chum. Ooh, nasty. Nasty boy. is a nasty looking chum. Come on, dude. Go swimming. Atta boy. There you go. Whatever this is putting up a good battle. Now that is a very nice chum. Very nice.